guys, CJ here from Yugatech, and I have to say, we have not seen realme's GT lineup of smartphones for quite some time. The last GT model we reviewed was the GT3 back in 2022. This year though, Realme is staging a comeback with the Realme GT6. Positioned to be a solid challenger for higher-end smartphones, this has the makings of a flagship device, but at a pocket-friendly price point. So today, we've come prepared with 6 reasons why we think the Realme GT6 can pull this off. And with that, let's get right into the video. Powering the GT6 is the latest smartphone 8S Gen 3 chipset from Qualcomm. As the twin brother of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it's just as capable at a lesser cost. Users will surely benefit from its great performance without shelling out as much. The chipset also comes with a powerful GPU that is paired with up to 24GB of memory for fast storage and even better multitasking capability. You should expect the GT6 to be a fast, high-performing device capable of anything you throw at it, from general use to intensive gaming. And for those interested, we'll leave our benchmark scores up for display now. As you can see, the GT6 has excellent scores across the board, surpassing the 1.5 million mark in Touted benchmark, among others. It's also equipped with UFS 4.0 storage, making sure that the read and write speeds are up there. Overall, we believe this is largely in part due to the special cooling technology integrated in the GT6. To elaborate, the system covers a large area to help the phone dissipate heat fast and keeps the phone's temperature low even during intensive activities. We were able to see its effect in our battery test, where we monitored the device temp over its time period, but we'll get to that later in the video. Moving on, it's time to talk about design. The Realme GT6 comes in 2 colorways. Personally, we took a liking towards the fluid silver colorway option that we got as a review unit. The glass back design comes in 2 tones that complement each other, with the majority of the back panel covered in smooth titanium textured glass that somewhat absorbs surrounding light and reflects it differently in a nice muted fashion. A band of nano mirror glass complements the steel deco camera module, giving it a nice sheen and reflection, much like a silver mirror. This isn't just for aesthetics though, as the mirror finish is so reflective, you can use it to frame your shots when you do 0.5 Gen Z selfies. Despite the 8.66mm profile, which is partly due to the larger battery, the GT6 still feels slim and manageable, all thanks to the curved display and the tapered edges of the back panel. Next, we have the phone's top-notch camera system. The Realme GT6 features a triple camera system headlined by a Sony LYT-808 sensor, capable of recording 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The LYT-808 is among the latest and most capable camera sensors for smartphones, allowing for more light intake due to its large sensor size. This allows you to take great photos in any situation or light conditions and still get clear and crisp images. This is paired with a 50-megapixel Samsung JNS sensor with optical zoom, perfect for portrait shots. The last sensor is an 8-megapixel Sony IMX355 ultra-wide camera with a 112-degree field of view. As for selfies, users get a 32-megapixel Sony IMX615 that's also capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. I also have to mention that the GT6 has a noteworthy display setup. Users will surely get an immersive experience in its large AMOLED display, be it from watching your favorite Netflix series or playing games with your friends. The Full HD Plus display has a 1.5K resolution with high pixel density, paired with up to 6,000 nits for peak brightness. Props to Realme for the thin bezels and curved display, making it seem like the images overflow from the edges of the screen. The GT6 also sports a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for protection from scratches, dings, and accidental drops. Additionally, the phone also comes with an IP65 rating, which means it's completely dust-proof and splash-resistant. Running it back, we have the battery segment. While most flagship devices suffer from battery life due to the power-hungry hardware it has to carry, that isn't the case for the GT6. This phone packs a dual-cell battery, maximizing its battery life by combining system optimization with efficient heat management. As such, we kept an eye out for its extended battery life thoroughly. In our PC Mark battery test, the GT6 managed to last 17 hours and 16 minutes on a full charge at 50% brightness, 0 volume, and in airplane mode. Likewise, in our proprietary video loop test, the unit clocked an impressive 35 hours and 47 minutes playing a full HD movie under the same conditions. These are the results that we rarely get in the hundreds of phones we review on a daily basis, and perhaps the highest score in any flagship thus far. Again, the tempered dual vapor chamber cooling system not only increased sustained performance, but also made the battery last longer. Additionally, the GT6 comes with a 120-watt GAN adapter with super whoop charging technology that can juice up the phone from 0 to 100 in just 26 minutes. Considering that it has a larger capacity compared to the usual 5000 mAh found in most flagship devices, the GT6 provides super fast charging at its best. Last, but certainly not the least, we have to mention the GT6 and its AI-enhanced software. The Realme GT6 runs on the latest Android 14 operating system with Realme UI 5 skinned on top. It's the same simple and familiar yet highly customizable user interface we used to like with Realme devices. However, this one includes new features like smart imaging matting, file dock, flash capsule, and Windows Phone Link. Other new features include riding mode, air gestures, smart code scan, dedicated RAM for games, AI assistant, and quick launch. On top of that, there are a ton of AI-optimized features included in this release, dubbed Realme Next AI. Again, this OS is highly customizable. You can practically make granular and specific changes to how you interact with the UI and make the most out of the phone. Wrapping up, what makes the Realme GT6 unique is that it is a well-thought-out smartphone that can cater to anyone who is looking for a flagship-level smartphone. The specs are not overkill or overdone, yet manage to perform at a level that can be considered a true flagship. In our experience with the device and testing its many capabilities, the Realme GT6 has shown, on many occasions, that it can slug it out with every other flagship in the market today. Whether it's performance, design, photography, and most especially, battery life, the Realme GT6 breezes through each category like a champ, and with a price point that will surely not burn your wallet, the Realme GT6 can certainly stand up to its claim of being a flagship killer. Oh, and by the way, you can get the Realme GT6 today for only 29,999 pesos. But what do you guys think of the Realme GT6? Share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. Also, do us a favor and hit that like button and ring the notification bell for more of our videos. Don't forget to follow us on our socials at Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And visit us on our website at yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!